Once you have edited the template and if you are happy with the output and you wish to print it, first, come to the left array of the menu here. Under the menu, we have an option to tick or untick the National Poison Center details. By default, it will be ticked, and so the details appear under section 1.4. Once you untick and save the details will be omitted from this section. We wait for the template to load. As you can see now, under section 1.4, the National Response Center number is removed. Moving on, before printing the output, you may choose the language, office, and the OEL of the country that you wish your SDS to carry. I wish to proceed with English, and my office will be XXX. So now my output will run automatically to trigger the details in section 1.3. As for OEL, I will stick with the UK OEL. Now my output is ready to be printed. Here, you may choose to print out the Word version or the PDF version. If you print out the Word version, you may make the changes and then proceed to issue a PDF version later on. Once you click the button, you may see how many tokens are consumed for printing each version. Now I will print out the Word document. I click here to review the printed document. You can roughly go through here to see from section 1 to section 16 to review the data that you have inserted.